The role model way of project management is the way that we facilitate our focus of expertise amplification with our customers. Each project team consists of a collaborative team with business understanding and strong software development skills. Ultimately, it's not possible to know exactly how a custom software project is going to go, but by choosing a shared point on the horizon, we can navigate together with transparency and understanding of trade-offs to get to the right destination that meets the goals that you have.
The role model way of project delivery focuses on your business value. We use short feedback loops to get constant feedback from you so that we deliver the best product possible as quickly as possible.
Nearly every software company will tell you that they're agile. Our mindset around project management is that we want to be agile in an agile way, adapting our approach as we need. That means we're focused on business value. We're going to start and steer and ensure that we're aimed at the right goal through tight feedback loops. Our project management approach is focused on delivering business value. This means we want to understand your business and the value drivers within it. We're focused on process first and software second so that we can optimize the processes within your business that will allow us to deliver a software solution that best fits your needs.
We try to understand what our customer needs really are, and we collaborate with them to identify their goals, measure those goals, make sure that we're on track so that we can deliver the best product possible in the shortest time possible.
Every project has trade-offs and decisions that will need to be made throughout it. You've got limits of scope, budget, and time, and you've got to pick which of those are most important for any one feature. We're going to be focused on the measurable goals of how each of those decisions deliver value to your business so we can prioritize those together and make those decisions transparently.
The best way to finish a software development project is to start. But that's not a scary thing. It doesn't have to be scary for you. We're going to start and steer together in a completely transparent process where you know what we're doing and why we're doing it.
We focus our process on getting that working software early and often into your hands through demos, iteration meetings, and daily stand-ups.
The best way to make progress on a project is to get it started. That doesn't mean we start it, go away, and work behind the scenes. We partner with our customers. They are part of our team. We work together to make sure that we're steering the project in the right direction throughout the entire life of the project.
And at the end of the day, you end up with a working system that meets your needs and that you collaborated with us to create, and we didn't just make up on our own. Foundational to how we manage projects at RoleModel Software are what we call tight feedback loops.
We've standardized our processes to make sure that we have the right meetings to get feedback from our customers, to make sure that we're moving in the right direction. These meetings are designed to get feedback quickly rather than waiting a long time and to discover that we've been moving in the wrong direction.
We leverage targeted planning cycles so that we are focused on what's important now for the project and for serving the business. And we step back with retrospectives that allow us to focus on what's working well and what could be improved in our collaboration.
The point of all of that is to make sure we're validating that we are creating the software that you need at every step. So we want your business needs for value to drive what that software is, and we don't want to use our imagination to figure out stuff that we think might be right. We want you to look at working software and tell us that is right.
This proven approach is important because it focuses on how do we mitigate the risks involved in a custom software project, ensure that we have buy-in from our customer along the way, and ultimately ensure that the value we deliver is visible, given that software is often an invisible product.
RoleModel's approach to project management isn't something that we came up with last week. It's something we've honed over decades of doing this. The primary focus is driving toward a customer's minimum viable product, or MVP. We break that down into achievable pieces that we manage with them, and even beyond the MVP, the roadmap that we've discussed with the customer can think beyond that initial delivery. But the point is we are managing this together with the customer collaboratively to produce software that's meeting their business needs for value.
Project management is mainly about building trust with our customers. We have experience and we've seen what happens when things go wrong. We can avoid those by using the proper tools, by the methods, the standardized methods that we use to deliver projects excellently every time.
The role model project management approach is designed with one thing in mind, and that is delivering valuable software to the customer. Everything that we do as part of that approach is designed to mitigate risk that we won't deliver valuable software to the customer. It doesn't matter whether it's practices or tools or meetings that we have with customers along the way. The point is to deliver valuable software and reduce the risk that we won't.
The role model way of project management is the way that we guide and direct the uncertainties of a custom software project to ensure a consistent delivery. We do this by focusing on business value, starting and steering, and continually adapting through tight feedback loops.